Hi there. Today I'm going to be doing a frame, and on the frame I'm going to be gluing on gemstones and shells, and I thought that I would bring you with to show you how I do it. Okay, so this is what you need for the video. You're going to need shells and your gemstones and a frame, which I've still got from my craft shop that was made for it, a glue gun. I just got the rapid and extra glue sticks, and this was made to protect my table from the glue that comes out, scissors and hooks for the back of the frame, and also rope for the back of the frame just to hang it on the wall. Okay, so I've already plugged the glue gun in so that it can start melting the glue and heating up, and then I'm going to take out my stones that I'm going to work with, and then I'm going to glue as I go along so that I can save time. what it looks like finished, so far without the attachment on it, which I will put on, and then I will show you what it looks like afterwards. So there's the backing that I can hang it up on, and that's what it looks like. I'll show it to you nicely now. So this is what it looks like finished. So that is the frame. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, if you can please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate. All of my social media is in the description block below, as well as my blog and my Patreon account, which is where you'll find more content from me. And on my Patreon account, it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel and also what I do on my blog. I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on and your sparkle strong. Goodbye.